So we've turned around now. We're dead downwind, so I'm goose winged. There's not a big sea, but there's a bit of a following sea, so yeah, trying to keep the sails filled. So yeah, no, it's been a good day actually. We got a bit of wind earlier. Apparent wind now is showing no more than a 15 mile an hour force 4, so we're going along nicely. I shook a reef out the main, so we've only got a single reef in the main now, and because I plan to do a bit more windward sailing when I get a bit closer to home, so yeah, everything good. Anyway, see you in a bit.